Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon sa bagong itinaas na deck. Minomonitor ko yung yung positioning ng deck, kung okay ba. Kaso lang, ayan wala pa, naka-offset pa Ito yung column. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Ito yung column na dapat nasa gitna. Hindi pa siya nakaposition. Dito yung supervisor ng production. Hi, good morning, Reddy. How are you?
Fine, fine.
So this is the other side is the having problem, no?
No. These together problems. Little up, little
Twist,
yeah, twist. Already
So you have given the instruction already?
yeah. Already survey.
You receive our report? Still have gap? Still have gap. Can I go inside, no? Ito yung cellar deck na may equipment. Ayan, no? Tingnan ko dito. Hi. So how is the situation of the cellar deck?
Cellar deck same time other small gap upside.
Wala pa sa squareness, oh. Still
Then the bank on then we did an up small
okay. Nandito ako sa ilalim ng deck. Still have so this one is still floating or already is still floating this or already Ayan. Still floating or already in place?
No, this one only place.
So we will lift this one and
No. Only already yesterday give to report.
this one at the back is okay, the positioning
Okay.
in the report. Only that one there.
10 million already moved there.
Push there.
Already pushed.
Okay.
And there you need to
Move back. Okay, I will check this one. Diagonal here is problem. Have diagonal problem here. Inshallah, there's no problem. That one, no?
yeah, that one need to push that here.
It's out. It's out of position, no?
This is
So you have to move
yeah.
back there.
No. Here.
But
The
that one,
main deck you push the
here. Okay.
this one also.
Okay. Maybe inshallah. No problem. Okay, Rini. Bye. Thank you guys. Ito yung trabaho ko dito. Minomonitor ko yung trabaho ng mga surveyor kung nasa tama yung positioning. So, maraming salamat. Bye for now. God bless us always. Thank you for watching again.